Hello savages, welcome back to Plant Geezer Coaching. Off the cuff, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make doner kebab vegano style. This is roughly 120 gram, I'd say, of seitan that I cooked today, left over, and I'm going to turn it into the best vegan doner you've ever tasted in your life. It's quite easy. Obviously, making seitan's not easy. I have got a video about it and I'll put it down below, but once it's made, it's easy to donify. It's a secret recipe that I've used to serve this kebab around the country for around 3 to 5 years, I'd say. Wrapping and slapping these in big fat burritos around the country, and I've even served Peter Egan. I will be selling seitan on the website soon, but for now you'll have to make your own. Once you get the hang of it, or you can even buy it in. Heat a little pan up. So the pan's hot. I'm just going to drop a little bit of oil in the pan. A little bit more. A couple of days after VCO, so I've gone low calorie after a naughty, greasy weekend. So the first bit and the most important bit is thinly sliced onion. The smallest one I've ever cooked. Usually I'll cook it in batches of 30, but I'm just going to drop the onion in the pan like that. Boomtown, and without dithering, I'm just going to slap that in with it like that. All I've got today is cumin, coriander, oregano, salt, pepper and garlic, and that is all you need for the best doner kebab in the world. The one without the nasty bits of lamb and that, you know what I mean? Frying off nicely, give that a little swivel. At Plant Geezer Coaching, unless you're making a slap up proper meal, we're just going to guess, man. So I'll just give it a little sprinkle of garlic like that. Little bit of cumin, because if you go too hard on the cumin, it's a little bit nasty. So we're just going to give that a sprinkle of cumin, probably a little bit more. Coriander, give it a little sprinkle. Salt and pepper. Now, if you like hot, you can put chili flakes in this. I personally don't, because I just think if it's not broke, don't fix it. This has worked for years. People absolutely love it. Give another mix. I'm just going to drop a touch of water in there just to loosen it up. The oregano, give that a little blast. There's a touch of gravy brown in there just to dot in. That's it. That'll give it a nice bit of a finish off with the flavour and the colour. You can just see how that's give it a bit of a darker, more meatier colour. But yeah, that's done. Let's try a little bit. Bangers. It would be nice with red onion, but we haven't got any. So I'm just going to go a little bit of cucumber. Got tomato. Bam, 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 bam. Cabbage, and then we've got some lettuce. The red onion has been located. I've cut that really weird, but I couldn't be bothered to go through the stalk because it would have made me cry. Unlike that. Boomtown. I always do a little bit more salad than needed, and then tomorrow when you cook your tofu, you whip that round. Make a little tofu salad, do you know what I mean? Anyway, this is the moment of truth. This is the bit that gets people really excited. You just get that on there like that. One might be like, why are you using a knife for that? And my answer is, who has got time to open that drawer and get the clippers? So there we have it, the famous doner kebab that has been adored by thousands around the UK. And all I'm going to do, now usually I've got a fat fryer, and we do fries with that, and it gives it a nice crunch with some potato. But obviously it's the week and I can't be doing fries, especially after VCO the weekend. I'd feel like a right fluffy cabbage. 100% plant-based mayo, again naughty, but I'm having no chips. I'm just trying to make myself feel better now, you know, but you filthy. There we go. That is nuts. We're still in a deficit, don't worry, we're still trimming fat. Don't worry, we're still trimming fat. And there you have it, the plant-based doner beast. And all we're going to do is wrap the sides in like that, tuck that over, squeeze. God, I've wrapped thousands of these. And then just roll it over like that. Just watch this, just watch what happens here. And then you've got the best vegan doner kebab you will ever have. Drop your email in the link to get my 20,000 word guide to help you with plant-based living and turning vegan and making cooking and fitness an absolute doddle. Thanks for watching. You are not the one true savage.